Hey there, fellow domain enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics like transferring domains in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something that might sound a bit confusing at first: how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to GoDaddy in 2025. You might be wondering, why transfer within the same platform? Well, it's often for consolidating accounts, gifting a domain, or just better organization. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step, so you can do it yourself in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your GoDaddy account. If you have multiple accounts, start with the one that currently owns the domain. Head over to your GoDaddy dashboard and navigate to the Domains section. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. Find the one you want to transfer. Once you've selected the domain, look for the Manage or Transfer option. In 2025, GoDaddy has streamlined this process, so click on Transfer Domain and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter the recipient's GoDaddy account details, like their account email or username. Double-check this to avoid any hiccups. Next, GoDaddy will send a verification email to the owner of the domain. That's you, to confirm the transfer. Open that email, click the verification link, and approve the transfer. This is a security step to prevent unauthorized moves. After verification, the recipient will get a notification to accept the domain into their account. Once they accept, the transfer should complete within a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on GoDaddy's processing time. Keep an eye on your email for any updates. And voila! You've successfully moved your domain without leaving the GoDaddy ecosystem. A quick tip: before starting, ensure your domain isn't locked or expired, as that could cause issues. Also, remember that transferring within GoDaddy might not incur fees, but always check for any changes in 2025 policies. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.